Hi friends, welcome to International Maths videos, Standard 10th, video number 107, Logical Reasoning, Section A, Easy. Let's start. In a certain code, a friend of mine is written as 4916. Mine lot of metal is written as 3109 and a piece of metal is written as 7163. How can 673 be written in the same code? First write everything what is given. A friend of mine 4916, mine a lot of metal 3109 and that last one a piece of metal 7163. Now which number is common in all the three? 1. Which word is common in all the three? Off. So 1 will represent off. Okay. Now 1 you got one number. Now focus on 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So 1 is common and 3 is common. But 1 you already know off. So 3. Which are the two words which are common? Off and metal, right? So 3 will be metal then. Now focus on 1 and 3. And 1 and 3 what are the words common? A is for 6. How? Same logic. 1 and 6 are common. And here A and off are common. So off we already know. So second will be A, right? So A is 6. And from 3, 7 is piece. Okay. Because in 3 you know 1, you know 6, you know 3. So what remains? 7. So that 7 will be piece. Okay. So 673 will be written as what? A metal piece, or it can be a piece, a metal, or anything. The sequence is not important. All the three should be there. Okay. Next, a postman was returning to post office which was in front of him to the north. When the post office was 100 meters away from him, he turned to the left and moved 50 meters to deliver his last letter at. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.